Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the Mazda RX3 from the Japan Historics 2 series. It's a really cool car, this one. Metal on metal with the real rider tyres, and that artwork on the card again is just spectacular for this series. So this car's in a bright orange, it looks pretty awesome. Let's rip it straight out of the pack, let's get into it. Yeah, again, I can feel the weight in this car. It's really nice. And the interior is a grey in this one. It's got roll bars, racing roll bars in the back window. I can see, pretty cool. It's got the decals on the front there and the rear, so it's nicely detailed. And again, another full body kit, big spoiler, big front scoop. Looks pretty awesome. Alright guys, leave your comments down below. Don't forget a big thumbs up. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.